But the Subaru racing and engineering traditions allow no room for complacency. The Subaru BRZ was pure sports car driving, but could it become even more pure? With an even lower center of gravity. Even more powerful with a new 2.4-liter Subaru Boxer engine. Improved torque. More horsepower. Could it become even more poised, with torsional stiffness increased 50%? Grip improved, with Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires on 18-inch wheels. A more aggressive track mode. Presenting the next benchmark in the long collaboration between engineer and driver. The all-new 2022 Subaru BRZ. The near-perfect weight distribution provides amazing balance. The experience wraps itself around the driver. Engages every sense. The interior is all new, oriented around the driver. Presenting the all-new 2022 Subaru BRZ. Sports car purity, Subaru DNA.